Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Tuesday afternoon. Steve is out in the woods today, so asked me to cover Power Hour. Markets have made a little bit of a bounce back today, surprisingly, after a big flush out of the gates. Dow, though, is still down 330. NASDAQ still down 159. S&P down 23. VIX at 23.53. What have I done today? Had just a really bad morning live stream. Just everything I did just went immediate against me. Amazon Mighty 90. Let's see. So on this Mighty 90 had a really nice volume pop here. But then it just continued to flush. And I got out of it, just bailed on it. Would have gotten a lot back. It actually bounced pretty good. But and then Hood. That was also, I believe, an upside continuation runner that you could take a look at Hood. Yeah, it pushed above pre-market highs, and then when it pulled back to pre-market highs, I got in, and then it just flushed. So another really good-looking setup that just didn't work. And then Netflix. I'm not really sure what I did in Netflix. I can't really remember, but it was a small loser. Pretty sure I was long. But anyway, not a good day. 3 losers. I had one DTE that hit 25% profit target, 40% profit target, and out. So one DTE these last 2 days has been money. And the only TLC trade I took was about 30 minutes ago, and I hit 20% on it. Could use a little bounce to hit 40%. So that's my posted trades and my live stream from this morning. Price has been in about a 25-point range for quite a while. That's why I put on a TLC trade. But it'll be interesting to see if we have any fireworks going into the bell or not. Sometimes, it's been in a pretty tight range. It's kind of had a lot of resistance above yesterday's low, but it's coming down to that part of the bottom part of that consolidation right now. Netflix, Coin, Apple, all in the green. As is CoreWeave, Goog, Circle, AVGO, MSTR. MSTR up 8.2%. MSTR has been in a pretty tough flush over the last several months. Netflix up 4% today after their split. I'm sure people are buying up Netflix, really great company, did a split. Now it's affordable. I wish I kind of would have gotten into some long-term Netflix yesterday. Still could. My power hour trade is getting ready to hit 40%. Come on and hit it. It's the first time I've taken a power hour trade in a while. And there we go. Filled. I only did 6 contracts, so I didn't do full size. But I mean, the consolidation is pretty self-explanatory. Put the S&P here. So anybody have any good trades today? Surely people have been trading Elmos here the last hour or so. Yeah, multi-tranches would have probably worked well today, this afternoon anyway. MU down 4.4%, one of the weaker stocks. I need a little bit of a bounce here to get me out of 40%. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I just got out of 40%. I need a little bit of a bounce to not get stopped out now on my last contract. S&P coming down. It's kind of coming down. Look out. If it breaks through yesterday's lows, who knows how far it will come. I got a feeling we got a flush incoming. Yep. Stopped with slippage on my last contract. I knew it. You could just see it. Down she comes. That's unfortunate. Just can't have nice things. It was. I could just, when I got on and I talked about the consolidation, I just could just see it coming. I could see it and I could feel it. We were going to get some down movement. Yeah. Back to, let's see, about 30 points down in the last 30 minutes. So I knew the old consolidation wouldn't last. How far will it come down? I'm not in anything now since I got stopped out there. At least it was after 40%, so it was a nice profit. Close my puts out for 50 cents. $850 on that power hour trade, which is, I had about $1 of slippage. No, that's not right. I had about 30 cents of slippage. Not bad. So $850 power hour winner and a $1,490 one DTE winner. So net about $23.45 on the day on those two posted trades. So now I'll just wait and see if I can get filled on Mahomes. Price popped right back up above yesterday's lows, so it held on so far. Definitely had a lot of time this afternoon to get in some good delta neutral trades, Elmos or whatever. See, in terms of news tomorrow, housing building permits, 7:30 Central. And then minutes of the Fed's October FOMC meeting. Not much. Yeah, price back down below yesterday's low, so Amazon coming back down, pushing, potentially getting down to lows of day. Amazon's had a huge push up after earnings, and now it's just giving back quite a bit of it. I don't know about you guys, but I'll be ready for this November price action to be over with. Two just really big moves, just big moves in short periods of time. Had about a 60-point move in 20 minutes earlier today. And here we come down again. Just can't hold up. We had about a 20-point expected move about 30 minutes ago. Now it's down to 15. Since we had that 20-point move or expected move, we've had about a 35-point move down. NVIDIA earning trade. What is that a question, Aaron? What? I'm not sure what you're asking there, or if that, or maybe you're just saying. I'm not sure what you're saying there. You're going to place an NVIDIA earnings trade? No, NVIDIA doesn't have earnings today. Yeah, just try to be a little more specific, like just NVIDIA earning trade. Like that doesn't really. Sorry, trying to decipher what your mind's thinking. Yeah, the NVIDIA earnings is tomorrow. Probably be very little theta decay throughout the day tomorrow. Definitely no one DTE for me tomorrow. NVIDIA currently down 2.25%. But yeah, when there's an earnings trade after the bell, the earnings trades are put on the same day as earnings, not the day before. They're put on the day before if it's a before the market open trade, like Baidu's was. So maybe that's why you're confused there, Aaron. Okay, bounce coming in, so it definitely held on that push below yesterday's lows. Still some juice left in these premiums. MOC in 10 minutes. Price definitely liking yesterday's lows. Mahomes butterflies cheap again. Well, are you firing off Elmos right now? Still some juice left in there. Yeah, the multi iron condors can be a little dicey with in this environment the last couple days. Good consolidation here, but man, all it takes is one bar to set them off. I mean, even this green bar here was a 20-point bar. It's wild. Back at 1 minute. Price coming back down. Pushing through. Is it going to hold up or not? I mean, we could still get a 15 minutes, easily a 20, 30, 40-point move down. Nothing would surprise me the way price action's been lately. Trending down here, the S&P has for about the last 45 minutes. A lot of stocks have given up a lot of their bounce from earlier today. And there she goes. Down through where that last bounce happened. Dow down 439 now. NASDAQ down 239. S&P down 43. Hard to trade with this type of price action the last couple of days, that's for sure. I mean, one or two bars could just really throw a wrench in your trade. MOC in 3 minutes. Yeah, butterflies aren't even, like yesterday, probably not even worth even trying to get filled this early anyway. It might finish today about 66.40, yesterday's lows. That's my guess, somewhere around there. Amazon coming down though to lows of day. Check Amazon. It had earnings. Yeah, it's lost everything from its earnings. It was up to 258. Now it's down to 223. Right where it was when 1 minute till MOC. Small number again. All right, let's see what Mahomes is trading for here. Probably not even close. No. 35s. No, not even close. So probably won't do a Mahomes today, unfortunately. It bounced right up to 66.40, kind of like I was talking about. 13-point bar. Coming back down to 30. I'm going to put in a 30 and a 35. I think it'll finish at 40. All right, so working a 30 and a 35. Maybe I should have been working at 25. Well, I'm definitely canceling my 35s. Sitting on 30. Put in a 25 here, but I'm only going to give it about another 30 seconds here to get filled. All right, canceling my 30s. And canceling my 25s. So no homes again today. Amazon coming down to lows of day almost. Down 4.3%. Anybody get filled on in Mahomes? Going down to 23. Anything less than a couple minutes, I don't like being in it. It's not enough time for it to move. I like to have at least 3 or 4 minutes. Yeah. Down to 20. Certainly not as exciting when you don't have a Mahomes on. Yep, definitely a good exit on the Woogas. It's come down since the last hour. It's come down 45 points. Like that'll put a hurting on a multi-tranche Iron Condor Woogas. Still coming down. I'll be anxious to get rid of this type of price action in hopefully the next few days or next week or whenever. $10 seconds. It's hanging around 20. NVIDIA falling 6617.38. So S&P finished down 55, NASDAQ down 300. Dow down another 500. All right, guys, I think Steve is with you in the mornings. I'll probably be out in the woods tomorrow afternoon. So everybody have a great day tomorrow, and I'll catch you maybe Thursday.